ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಬಂದು ಇಂದಿಗೆ ನಾವು 76 ವರ್ಷಗಳನ್ನು ಪೂರೈಸಿ 77ನೇ ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾವು ಇಂದು ಸಂತೋಷ, ನಿರ್ಭೀತಿ, ಆತ್ಮಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಬಾಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಡಿದ ಸಾವಿರಾರು ಜನರ ತ್ಯಾಗ, ಬಲಿದಾನ, ಹೋರಾಟಗಳಿವೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಂದು ಅವರನ್ನು ನೆನಪಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆದ್ಯ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ. ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹೋರಾಟ ಮಾಡಿದ 10 ಮಹಾನ್ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ನೈಜ ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಆಡಿಯೋ ತುಣುಕುಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬನ್ನಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರ ಧ್ವನಿಯನ್ನ ಆಲಿಸೋಣ.
I regard myself as a soldier, though a soldier of peace. I know the value of discipline and truth. I must ask you to believe me when I say that I have never made a statement of this description, that the masses of India, if it became necessary, would resort to violence. I regard myself as incapable in my lucid moments of making a statement of this character. It is complete independence that we want.
Present at Haripura in person to give us his blessings, loudspeakers. And I do hope that in future we shall make greater use of the film. In conclusion, I beg of you to remember that our mission remains unfulfilled. We have undoubtedly travelled a long way towards the goal of Swaraj, but complete independence has yet to be won. The coming months and years will prove to be a momentous period in our history, pregnant with immense possibilities. Let us therefore resolve to gird up our loins, sink all our differences, stand shoulder to shoulder, and continue our
So far as the ultimate goal is concerned, I think none of us need have any apprehensions. None of us need have any doubt. But my fear, which I must express clearly, is this. Our difficulty, as I said, is not about the ultimate future. Our difficulty is how to make the heterogeneous mass that we have today take a decision in common and march in a cooperative way on that road which is bound to lead us to unity. Our difficulty is not with regard to the ultimate. Our difficulty is with regard to the beginning.
That has taken more than 20 centuries to evolve. But if in one word, before the signal goes up for me to stop being a cinema star, I might say what my country says to you. It says in the words of the old Hindu prayer that rises up in every home, night after night, Shanti, 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 peace, peace, peace. And I think whether it be the old world or the new world, the whole purpose of our civilization is to create and to sustain those conditions of peace for our own homes and for the homes of the nation.
Mr. President, sir, I beg to move this Constituent Assembly declares its firm and solemn resolve to proclaim India as an independent sovereign republic and to draw up for her future governance a constitution wherein the territories that now comprise British India, the territories that now form the Indian states, and such other parts of India as are outside British India and the states, as well as such other territories as are willing to be constituted into the independent sovereign India, shall be a union of them all, and wherein the said territories, whether with their present boundaries or with such others as may be determined by the Constituent Assembly, and thereafter, according to the law of the Constitution, shall possess and retain the status of
You want me that I should talk to you in English. I shall obey your command. But take it from me that it will not be long before you yourself will have to speak in our own national language. If you don't do that, then you will drag the country behind, and we have to march forward. Therefore, you must all make up your mind that we have to put our maximum effort to go forward.
कार्यक्रम गणपती उत्सवाचा आहे. ठरल्याप्रमाणे गायनकार बखले बुवा यांचं गायनं सुरुवात झालीच आहे. लोकांनी शांतपणे ऐकावं अशी माझी इच्छा आहे. कोणी गडबड केली तर मी ऐकून घेणार नाही. लोकांनी बाहेर जावं, पण ठरलेला कार्यक्रम झालाच पाहिजे अशी माझी इच्छा आहे. भास्कर बुवांच्या गाण्याबद्दल मला जे काही वाटतं ते वाटतं म्हणजे असं की माझा विषय नाही, तथापि ही कला मोठी आहे आणि त्यात विचार करण्यासारखं आहे असं मला वाटतं, आणि ते काही खोटं नाही. तेव्हा त्याबद्दल मला अभिमान आहे की मी जरी गाणी शिकलो नाही तथापि या कलेमध्ये थोडासा विचार करावा असं मला वाटतं. आणि म्हणून भास्कर बुवांसारख्यानं मी इथे मुद्दाम प्रसिद्धी दिली आणि बुवाचे विषय आले आणि कार्यक्रम रस्तेच झालेला आहे. त्यांनी उत्तम तऱ्हेनं काम केलेलं आहे. याबद्दल सर्वांतर्फे मी त्यांचे आभार मानतो. आणि गणपतीनं प्रत्यक्ष गजानन स्वरूप येते त्यांनी वारंवार असा प्रसंग आणून द्यावा असं मला वाटतं. इतकं बोलून मी आपल्या सर्वांची रजा घेतो.
In the absence of Srimati Sarojini Naidu, it is my proud privilege on behalf of women of India to present this flag to the nation through you. I have a list here of nearly 100 prominent women of all communities who have expressed a desire to associate themselves with this ceremonial. There are hundreds and hundreds of other women who would equally like to participate in this function. It is in the fitness of things that this first flag that will fly over this august house should be a gift from the women of India.
Friends, I just want to say a few words in English for the benefit of those of you who have not been able to follow my speech in Hindi. Honorable members will not consider it ungracious on my part if I tell them that at the present moment I feel more overwhelmed by a sense of the burden of responsibility which they have placed on my shoulders than by a sense of elation or of gratefulness for the great honor which they have conferred on me. I realize that the greatest honor which an assembly like this could confer on any Indian, you have been pleased to confer on me. And
त्या गोष्टी उभ्या सांगायच्या नाही, हे प्रत्यक्ष प्रचंड झालं बघा. हा तुमचा नकाशा हिंदुस्थानचा तो लहानपणापासून तुमच्या त्या शिकत आल्या तो नकाशा आज अर्ध्या युवारंगाने विच्छिन्न होऊन गेलेला, फाडून टाकला गेला, दोन तुकडे झालेले. एक हिंदुस्थानचा नकाशा, दुसरा पाकिस्तानचा नकाशा. रोज रेडिओवर सत्य होता डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान. यात खाल्लं गेलं तुमचं वाटतं. व्हॉट इज दिस पाकिस्तान? What is this state? Who created this? The Hindus created it. England did not create it. Boston could not have created it. You Hindus did create it. With your own willingness, you signed the contract and you created it. ही चुकी झाली हे जर ध्यानात आलं तर मी तुम्हाला सांगतो अजून वेळ गेली नाही. पण चुकी झाली हे ध्यानात जर आलं नाही तर मात्र अजून सत्यानाश याईपेक्षा भयंकर पुढे ठेवलेला आहे. एका कोपऱ्यातला हिरवा रंग, दुसऱ्या कोपऱ्यातला हिरवा रंग हा सगळा हिंदुस्थान हिरवा करून टाकणार आहे. हे तुम्ही ध्यानात करा. 10 वर्षाच्या आधी हा प्रत्यय 10 वर्षाच्या आत
ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಭಾವಿಸ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.